In this episode, I make my way to Ville-Marie, but on the way there, I have some gear issues, I ride into a little bit of weather, and I ride past a couple stranded on the side of the road. My Moto journey.
Well, this was a really nice spot for sure. I lucked out with the weather and the view. Let's find some breakfast.
So, after leaving my shack in Mackay, Ontario, I was going to head past North Bay. Then, at Sturgeon Falls, I would head north all the way up and around Lake Témiscamingue and then back down to Ville-Marie where I'd meet my wife and family.
This bag keeps resting on the heat shield and it's burning the strap. I gotta fix this.
Well, I'm sure glad that I had these rock straps with me. They saved the day. Uh-oh.
Don't look back. Just keep that throttle pinned.
Okay.
We got an open road ahead of us, man.
Yeah.
You saw that look. They could really use some help.
Yeah.
They have cell service. This isn't the middle of the Amazon.
True.
Besides, stopping ruins our average speed.
It does.
Patrick, remember the shifter pivot bolt problem?
Oh, yeah.
Remember how helpless that felt?
It did.
The biker gods are watching.
Are they?
Oh, the biker gods. Fine, but if they just need gas, I'm gonna be so annoyed.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Hello. Ça va? Oui, avez-vous besoin d'aide? Oh boy. Ouais. Et puis, vous pouvez pas l'enlever? Ça monte pas? Ah oui. Well, I'm glad I turned around to help them. He wasn't lifting properly. It was damaging the plastic. It wasn't lifting on the frame.
Well, aren't we just the saint of the highway? You know, we're now 45 minutes behind schedule, right? We'll never get that time back.
Oh, hush. Did you see the look on their faces? That is pure adventure karma. That buys us at least 3 seasons of no flat tires.
Karma doesn't clean grease off my brand new gloves. And it definitely doesn't make the Tuareg go faster.
It's the code. We did the right thing. Admit it. You feel warm and fuzzy inside.
That's just the heated grips. I'm turning them up to 100%. Now, can we please get a move on?
And we're off. It's really windy behind this truck. I get to pass him here.
So here we are in Ottawa, Ontario, and normally the quickest way would be to take the 533 north towards Témiscamingue, but I decided to keep going west towards North Bay and then Sturgeon Falls, and then from there I would head up north.
Looks like I might get some rain. Bent this way. Very odd. Rain gear ready. Looks pretty certain that I'm going to get a heap of rain. But it's not so dark over to the left. I guess I'll have lunch. Seems like a good time for a burger. So it looks like we're getting a break from the rain. Welcome to Sturgeon Falls. Famous for something. I don't know what. It's kind of nice around here. Very nice.
So here we are in Ville-Marie, and that's the end of the road for my ride today. In the next episode, I leave Ville-Marie and head home to Montreal. I find a trail to explore. I ride the Moto shortcut on Route 533. Thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think down below, and we'll see you in the next one.